Friends, welcome back to our channel. This is a new video about our site. So friends, let's get started. So friends, in description box I have provided a link, so click on that link. So a browser page is open like this. The site is so friends, first enter your phone number, then enter the verification code, then enter the password, then click on register now. Successful. Then here members, so click on receiving, so you have successfully received the task. Then click on Facebook, wait, so click on Telegram, so click here, so then go to Facebook, so then click here, receiving. So successful 3 tasks have been issued. So first we have to do this, so click on here, open the link. So when we click on it, so this interface has been opened. So then here click on jump, a browser page has been opened. Then you have you have to do, just to then here like this, take a screenshot, then go back. Here we have to upload a screenshot. I will show. So we have to upload a screenshot that was taken in earlier. I have to upload this, so wait. So click here on submit completed task, then go back, then wait, this interface has been opened. Then click on task, then we have to submit all tasks. So the Telegram so open the link, then when click on open the link, then click on join group, then take a screenshot, then go back. So I am deleting this group, then go back to this site and we have to upload the screenshot that I have been taken. Click on here where the image icon, so click on image icon, then upload the screenshot I have been done earlier. So I have uploaded the screenshot, so click on submit, then open the link, click on open the link, then on join group, so take a screenshot, then go back to this site. So make sure you have done, so friends, make sure we have done our account must be suspended. So we do not have get money, so our account has been suspended. So use genuine images and tasks. So you have see here, so click on task. So I have completed the task. The task is very restricted because so you have studied this. So what I have written here, so if we could not join the group, our account has been suspended, so we must join the group. So friends, so click on my wallet. What is the withdraw process we have discussing now? So click on, so authenticate now, click on here, then enter a real name. Real name means bank account. What is the name you have in bank account? So that name has been entered here, so I will enter. So friends, then click on submit. So here then you have to go back. Then this interface page has been opened. Then account, the bank account number you have to withdraw from this site. So account number, then enter the bank name, what the bank name you have to get the payment. Then enter the IFSC code of the bank and add it now. Then click on here where the fund password. So here, so click on fund password, then enter the, then set. So I will set one password. After successfully entering the password, then click on submit here. So password has been submitted successfully. So the minimum withdraw is 100 rupees. For minimum withdraw, update you in the group. So if any errors has been occurs, so friends, this is the video today. So friends, if you like the video, please like it, then comment and share it with your friends and family. So please join to our Telegram group channel. So friends, I will click on here. Here join button has been established. So click on here, then join here. So this is our official group. That I have been discussed means I have done a video in this. So friends, this is the proof of InShare 456 website that has been done in the previous video. So friends, this is the proof of means play tap. So friends, here you can see 202 rupees has been created. So friends, these proofs are only mine, so I will not copy anybody's.